What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we made $1,253 on Netflix. Year to date, that puts us up $6,600. Breaking down the trade, we had this nice sell-off from $92 all the way down to $88. We scalped this as it was selling off, made nice $1,200 on it. Now the big question we got to ask ourselves, is Netflix going lower? Looking at the 1 month chart here, it has sold off and it rejected this $104 all the way down and then made lower lows, rejecting $92 per share. We will see. We have earnings coming up on Tuesday. This is going to be very exciting. Make sure you join the WAP so we can discuss it direct chat. Right now, 87.95 pulled back. Do we have a potential bottom here? 88.7 needs to hold. We'll find out tomorrow if this is going to hold for a leg back up to a retest of this $91 per share. If you haven't done it yet, join the WAP, check it out. You get the weekly stock levels, the swing trade ideas, educational stock ideas, and my portfolio view that I update every single week. And the most important thing, chat, where you get to directly chat with us. So I'll see you when you join.